Hi there. Today I will discuss about how to use Google Gemini. So let's dive into this method. Basically, Gemini is an AI, just like ChatGPT or like DeepSeek. But its response time is pretty much faster than GPT or DeepSeek. And today I will use it for three purposes. I will use it for my study, YouTube videos, and for story writing. And I am pretty much sure after watching my video, you will know how to use it for your own purposes. So watch the video till the very end. The first thing is open your browser. After it opens, in the Google search bar, search for Gemini. Once you will search for it, on the top you will see the official website of Gemini. As I said, it's Google AI, so click on it. Once you will click on it. If you are using it for the first time, then it will ask to sign in your Google account. And you have to sign in your Google account. Then you will get access to it. Here you will see all of your history. If you take a look on the left side, it's My History in Gemini. So after signing in your account, you will see the same interface where it's saying hello. Now, as I said, I would use it for three purposes. The first thing is I will use it for my YouTube video. So here I will write. Here I write a random question, how to create YouTube videos and which type of content I need to choose. And it is the brief description of Gemini. As I said, its response time is much faster than other AI. And here it's saying how to create YouTube video. And this one is the planning of Gemini. If I scroll down here, you can see it is now telling me which type of content I need to choose. Entertainment with broad appeal, like cute animal videos, amazing feats and stunts, or informative and educational content like life hacks. Another next one is emotional storytelling. You can also ask to Gemini to write an emotional story, and it'll write for you just like I said. I will use it for story writing. So our next topic will be how to write a story. So I will ask to Gemini, write emotional story based on a son and mother. So after writing, click on the arrow. And here you can see Gemini write a story based on my prompt. Now you can use it for your YouTube videos. And another thing is, how can we use it for our school project? If you are a student and you want to know something about your subject, then simply ask Gemini, just like I am a student and I want to know about atomic. What is atomic? So I will write, I ask to it what is atomic, and the topic should be front top site. And here is the brief description about atomic. Basically, Gemini is a very useful tool in your daily life. Even if you are a student or a YouTuber, even in freelancing fields, you can write professional proposal for clients with the help of Gemini. It will help you in numerous ways, and I will recommend you to use it because it's really simple and free to use.